Before changing the nozzle, unload the filament first. For this purpose, the nozzle must first be heated up. Once the filament has been removed, lower the print bed all the way down. Move the extruder back to the center using the axis menu. Now, switch off the printer and allow the nozzle to cool down. Remove the hot end fan by first loosening the 2 screws on the hot end and then removing the fans towards the front. Carefully disconnect the connection cable. Now, remove the strain relief that keeps the heating cable in place. Loosen the small screw in the heating block with a 1.5 mm Allen key so that the sensor and the heater can be removed from the back of the heating block. Slightly loosen the 2 screws on the front of the heatsink and pull the hot end out downwards. Hold the heating block firmly and loosen the heat brake with a 7 mm open-end wrench. Unscrew the nozzle from the heating block in the same way. Reassemble the new nozzle in reverse order. First, screw the new nozzle securely onto the heat block. Next, screw on the heat brake and pull it firmly against the nozzle using the other 7 mm open-end wrench. Make sure that the nozzle does not come off the heat block for any reason. Apply a thin layer of heat-conducting paste to the heat brake. Caution! No heat-conducting paste should get inside the heat brake. Now slide everything back into the heatsink. Make sure that the heat brake is pushed in as far as the step. Tighten the screws. Push the heater and sensor back into the heat block and secure both together with the small screw in the heat block. Reattach the strain relief for the heating cable. Ensure that the sensor cable is not pinched by the strain relief. Finally, reinstall the fan unit. To avoid printing problems, re-level the print bed after changing the nozzle. Afterwards, you can load the filament again.